Hi, this is PC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer any files from Macbook to Android using Bluetooth. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If your Mac is connected with a Bluetooth enabled devices such as phone and you have permission, you can use Bluetooth File Exchange to view the public folder on the device, retrieve files from the device, and send files to the device. So you can also allow Bluetooth device to browse files on your Mac in public folder or other folder you choose, retrieve files, and send files. So what if you want to send files from your MacBook to Android using Bluetooth? It's very simple. So first of all, you can just turn on your Bluetooth on your MacBook, of course, and also on your Android phone. Now, you can open the the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone and also on your MacBook like this. You can open the Bluetooth preferences. As you can see, here's the device that we want to connect. You can just click on connect. You can choose pair on in your Bluetooth device on Android phone. Now you're connected with MacBook. Your Android and MacBook is connected. You can close these settings. You can go to Launchpad and click on Bluetooth Files Exchange. You can open the Bluetooth Files Exchange. And then here, you can choose files like photos, videos, or any files, document that you want to send to that Android phone. For example, maybe this one, this image. You can choose on the image that you want to send. Now click on send. Choose on the device, your Android device. Click on send. It's connecting to the Android device. You can choose accept to your Android device, and here you go. Now you have successfully sent a photo from your MacBook to your Android phone. And also if you want to send another files like document, you can open the Bluetooth Files Exchange again. Choose on the document that you want to send, like this one for example. Click on send. Choose your Android device. Click on send. You can accept like this on your Android device, and you have successfully sent your files from your MacBook to your Android phone. It's very simple, right? You can share your files from your MacBook to Android wirelessly and very simple and quickly. So that is how to send file from MacBook to Android using Bluetooth. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.